the last time I had that kind of reaction, it was a long
She
time
worked
back.
with me.
Yeah. No, but this is, I think, one of the most soulful songs and the most sensitive songs that I've ever heard in a very, 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 very long time. And it's obviously composed by one of the most original artists that we have today, who's again not looking here, but which is Sneha Khanwalkar. But I love it, and it's sung by a really small girl. Can you believe this girl is my voice? Come here, just see her. Look at her. This is and I think it's become the hot favorite, even though we've not promoted this song at all. It's become the hot favorite on social media and on the internet. This, we always save the best for the last, and this is it. This is the best. And obviously, sir, please come here. And sir, I think you need to describe what you've done with this song and why you've done with all the songs in the film.
This actually is the opening lines are Mirabai's line, poet Mirabai.
So all the songs, sir.
You know, all the songs. No, this one particularly, Preet Na Kariyo Koi. So it's like a takeoff on Mirabai's lines, and then the rest of the song is like the original. So please listen to it and have a good time. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Sir, you're supposed to talk about all the songs, but we'll talk about it later.
Amitabh Saab has also written the lyrics for Maka Phone. So that just shows his versatility. कि एक तरफ इतने offensive हो सकते हैं.
And Sneha has also.
And Sneha has also written it. Well, Rhea, why don't you come on stage and do that instead of just passing on messages from the corner? Please put your hands together for the producer, Rhea Kapoor.
So I just wanted to say that Amitabh and Sneha have written the song together. It's Sneha's first lyric credit. Took me about 6 months to get the song out of her, but that doesn't matter right now. Anyway, Preet, I think, is a very honest song, and I think it's Sneha's most honest song, and there's truth in it, which is why I think it gets a reaction out of people who connect to it. And Jasleen obviously has the most haunting voice I've ever heard, and I hope she's
like 12,
more
right?
and more and more and more. Okay, thank you.
Everybody, thank you for coming. We are very excited to have a खूबसूरत musical night for you. And फवाद, आप क्यों नहीं बता देते कि हम यहाँ क्या करने वाले हैं?
हम फिलहाल यहाँ पे कथक करेंगे आप लोगों के लिए, जो कि आधा घंटा चलेगा और उसके बाद आप लोग देख के घर चले जाएंगे. If you can see on our right, there's like a pavilion of musicians sitting there. सारे के सारे अपने गिटार पकड़ के बैठे हुए हैं और हाथ पकड़ के बैठे हुए हैं. A big round of applause for them. So we're going to start off the night with a song जो कि आप सबने बहुत सुना होगा. और आज हम आपके MCs हैं. अगर उस तरह के MCs नहीं तो दूसरी तरह के MCs बन जाएंगे. And we're going to start it off with अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है और अगर आप हमें रोकना चाहते हैं तो आके दिखा दें आपकी बम में कितना दम है. So please call on stage Badshah.
For Khoobsurat and Khoobsurat, Sonam Kapoor and the whole team.
Awesome.
And it was amazing working for the movie, the music. So I would like to call upon stage Fawad once again.
फवाद, आ जाओ.
हाँ यार, इतना ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है. किस तरह बोलते हो आप?
फवाद,
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 फाद,
फाद, स्वाद.
So that was one hell of a dance. ये पहली दफा मैंने एक ऐसा डांस नंबर इतनी बत्तियों में होते देख रहा है. सब कुछ बहुत क्लियरली नजर आ रहा था. Badshah, you got some serious moves, man. Wow.
Guys, some
So यार आप लोग बड़े डेड लोग हैं. नहीं, मरने को नहीं कहा, जरा थोड़ा शोर मचाने को कहा है.
Former rockstar babes.
So the next musician जिनको हम बुला रहे हैं स्टेज पे, उन्होंने एक पुराना फोक सॉन्ग था राजस्थान का, अंजन की सीटी. अंजन की सीटी पे मारो मन डोले. तो मन तो डोलता ही है और आज आई थिंक एक से ज्यादा दफा आई थिंक बम नजर आएगा स्टेज पे. So I'd like to call the next classy musician on stage with an amazing song So Anjan ki CD, you want to make the introduction?
No, I just want to say that हमारी जो म्यूजिक कंपोजर है फिल्म की, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर स्नेहा खनवलकर, वो हर गाने को एक ट्विस्ट देती है to make it younger, funner and more original. So a shout out to Sneha for that, who's not listening to me. But amazing, I love her. Anyway, Sunidhi.
So next to come on stage is Sunidhi Chauhan. She needs no introduction, obviously.
Sunidhi, Sunidhi, Sunidhi.
Damn.